Hey everyone, welcome to my first impressions of the Xiaomi RobotVacuum 5. While my dog Charlie is brainstorming on how to get more subscribers, I've been putting the new Xiaomi RobotVacuum 5 to the test. And honestly, it's been a bit of a roller coaster. There are things about this unit that are absolutely brilliant, but then there are choices Xiaomi made that I just cannot wrap my head around. But first, let's start with the build and navigation. First things first, the look and feel. This device is premium. It looks sleek, it feels solid, and it definitely earns its place in a modern home. The base station isn't the prettiest in my opinion, but it's a matter of taste. The mapping was incredibly fast, and the navigation is smooth. It even handled my coffee table, which is usually a nightmare for robots, without much issues. Eventually, Charlie stopped brainstorming to help me check how the navigation and obstacle avoidance is. My first impressions are that it is pretty decent. I still have to do an obstacle avoidance test, but at first glance, it does the job. My first impression about the cleaning performance is pretty good. The sound it makes is actually quite pleasant, and it's good at picking up the daily dirt. And the mopping, that's where it gets interesting. Now, I have my S40 Pro mopping here every other day, so I thought my floors were clean. But when I checked the dirty water tank on this base station, I was honestly shocked. It was filthy. That really shows the power and the benefit of a dedicated base station like this. The carpet boost works pretty well. That is something the S40 Pro lacks. But then we have to talk about the software. And this is where Xiaomi loses me a little. There are so many missing features. For example, if I want to clean 2 rooms, I can't even decide the order they're cleaned in. The floor type selection is very limited, and for some reason, it still refuses to go under my chairs. Also, there's no option to adjust the collision sensitivity or how cautious the unit should be. And a quick heads up for my Dutch viewers, the translation in the app is, well, it's pretty bad. It feels unfinished. The software inside the robot seems quite well thought out. It's getting much less aggressive than the Xiaomi S40 Pro, but the app experience is a letdown. I will do an app deep dive in the future, and I will compare the app with the options you get on the S40 Pro. I'm going to keep testing this unit to see if these software quirks are deal breakers. I'll be back soon with a full list of pros and cons, and of course, a head-to-head battle against my Xiaomi S40 Pro to see which one actually deserves the crown. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to follow the journey.
A big shout out to my friends at Robostofzuigers.nl. They are letting me borrow their Xiaomi RobotVacuum 5 to make these videos. Check out their website. They got great stuff, great sales, and their service is top-notch. They're a small business going up against those larger corporations. I'm not an affiliate of them, but I think they deserve a shout-out. Support the smaller businesses. Please check out their website. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully see you next time.